Hello YouTube. Today I just did a test for my water. I tested out everything and everything's amazing. I'll just show you guys the results really quick. So here's the chart that comes with it. It's actually really easy. Here's the pH. I just did this right now, so it's accurate. And that's around like 8.2 to like 8. A regular tank should have about 8.2 to 8.4, so it's pretty good. And then here's the ammonia. Ammonia is pretty good. It's at the very top, which is probably the best you can get. That's right here. Nitrates is really good. 0 ppm. As you can see. 5 ppm is really bad, and then you want 0 ppm. Same with ammonia. And then nitrates. This one's probably the hardest to mix because you have to do a lot of accuracy for it. Like, you have to add it really accurately to get the best results. And I have for mine, I think that's like close to 40 ppm, which is not good whatsoever. And like, or not 40 ppm, 20 ppm and 10 ppm, which is, it's all right, but like the less the better. But since mine's a new tank, maybe that's why. I'll be checking on that later too. So these are all just my water test kits right now. I'll be doing an update soon. Once I had the fish, I removed the second filter, the submersible, like I was telling you guys, and I'm almost about to have the fish. So stay tuned, guys.